Creating an Obby game in Roblox involves designing challenging levels for players to navigate. Here's a concise guide. Planning. Define your Obby's theme, storyline, and level structure. Consider the difficulty curve and the types of obstacles you want to include. Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio, create a new game, and choose a baseplate template. Customize the baseplate to match your Obby's theme. Adding obstacles. Use the toolbox in Roblox Studio to insert various obstacles like platforms, jumps, traps, and moving parts. Adjust their properties and positions in the game world. Scripting. Use Lua scripting to program any interactive elements, timers, or custom game mechanics. Roblox provides a user-friendly scripting environment. Testing. Frequent testing is crucial. Playtest your Obby to ensure obstacles are challenging but not impossible to complete. Checkpoint system. Implement a checkpoint system to save players' progress, allowing them to continue from where they left off after failing. Decorations. Add decorations, textures, and lighting to make your Obby visually appealing and immersive. Multiplayer compatibility. If desired, enable multiplayer features to allow multiple players to enjoy the Obby together. Publish. When your Obby is ready, click Publish to make it available for other players to play on the Roblox platform. Promotion. Promote your Obby through social media and Roblox groups to attract players. Updates. Continuously update and improve your Obby based on player feedback.